couples, that was 1968 when I was born. That is the beginning of international blessing. So, this was performed by the founder of Unification Movement, the Dr. Sun Myung Moon.
Korea.
Korea, alam mo na. Then, this is the, may mga religious leaders kasi na umatin na ng blessing eh. Nagpa-bless na. Saka may pare na kasi umatin dito.
Nagpakasal din?
Milingo.
Hindi Catholic, ma'am.
Catholic. Si Milingo. He is African and Archbishop. Actually, ging condemn siya ng ng Catholic ng Vatican. Pero ngayon parang okay na. Tapos ang wife niya is Japanese.
Hindi tayo mag-ano.
Pare?
Bayaran muna, midwife muna,
This is our blessing.
Iba naman.
If you will attend the blessing ceremony, the international marriage, this is our pledge. To be faithful in marriage, no adultery. 2, to raise children and grandchildren to be pure in preparation for marriage. 3, to live for the sake of others as married couple and as one family. To encourage people of all races, religions, nationality, and culture to live as one family under God. So this is our pledge when we attend, when we join the blessing. So this is the, this is one of the idea to resolve the rational conflict. Like some of our my friends was joined this group, so was blessed and matched to the African, me and Japanese, and other in Cambodian, other also Filipino, other in. But before the requirements in joining this, we should study well this principle and practice. Then you can join.
Ganun ba yun, no?
Hindi ka
Pero
pwede
di ba yung ordinary na kasal, di ba, under God lang yapon?
Oh, it's okay, no problem.
Pero yun,
Tagal kang mag-aral.
blessing na yun dahil,
Yeah, this one is, before we go that, we study hard about the principle.
hindi, ano na ito mga, kung magsisiping kayo ng asawa mo, kung naka-ate na kanyan, naka-pledge ganyan, mag-aano.
When we attend the blessing, after the blessing, hindi pa kami mag-start ng family. Hindi pa kami pwedeng magsama. That means we are still pure. So, the period of separation at least 3 years. 3 years to become true brother and true sister. After 3 years, we have family ceremony. So, that means pag mag-start kami ng family, merong ceremony.
Mag-asawa na kayo dati, tapos naghiwalay kayo.
Ano man? Nag-receive ng blessing. Pwede
Blessing
kayong
lang?
magpakasal din sa pare or sa judge after nang mag-receive ka ng ceremony. Husband and wife na kayo. Pero, you will going to preserve your purity until 3 years.
Hindi na pala pwede mag-asawa na. Kung mag-asawa na kayo, di na pwede kayo magpa-kasal.
Atin ng mali yung iniisip nyo.
Ano? Pag may asawa ka na? Pag may asawa ka na? Sino may asawa? Pag may asawa ka na?
Hindi ako mag-asawa ng...
Ikaw.
Palabas sa akin, ma'am.
Pag
Hindi
may-
ako mag-asawa ng babae. Yung sa... Ibang sino?
Lalaki?
Sigaw. Pag may asawa ka na ngayon, kayong dalawang mag-asawa, mag-aral
Renewal.
Saka
Yun nga ang ibig sabihin namin, renewal. Sa mag-isip mo.
You will never destroy your
Ang
marriage.
sama ng isip?
Sino?
That means, pwede din ito sa may asawa na,
Oo nga.
pwede din, pag wala ka pang asawa, di pwede kang bigyan ng partner.
Yun nga, sinasabi ko, te, yung
Bigyan ka ng
renewal.
partner.
Oo.
Pero ng partner dahil may asawa ka.
Renewal na lang.
Ay.
Renewal na lang, renewal.
Yung sa Pilipinas,
Seminar lang, ang kailangan ng seminar.
Bakit meron ba ba seminar ka? Ano? Pagkain mo nga ako.
Sa Korea may ito.
sa Pilipinas, pag pumasok ka sa iglesia, magpabindisyon ka. Yun, hindi yun mag-asawa ng kon. Tuma mo na mo.
Hindi
Kaya kung
Hindi
may
ako.
may sa Pilipinas ka, may sa Japan ka. Ay,
Akala nga sa akin, may bindisyon nito.
So if you have